If you don't own a gimbal or own a video camera that has built-in stabilization, then I'm going to show you how you can import your videos into DaVinci Resolve and stabilize them and make them look next level. So if you're ready, let's dive in. So I've gone ahead and I've imported this media, and as you can see, I am going to go down to the bottom and we are going to the color. Right, so once we're in color, we are going over in this top menu and we're going to look for tracking. Now, once you've clicked on tracking, you'll see this window come up. Now, there's two ways of doing this depending on what kind of video you are trying to stabilize. So this is what the video looks like. And what we're going to do is over here, we are going to make sure that we have selected stabilizer over here. Now, you see the cropping ratio, smooth, strength. Those are all values that you can change. Make sure that your strength is 1, your smooth is 1, and the cropping ratio we're going to leave at 0.5. We're also going to make sure that the camera lock is on, and we can select the zoom as well. Make sure that this over here says perspective, and you're going to go ahead and click on stabilize. Your video will now be stabilized. The second method is going in over here to the 3 dots, and you will go and look for the classic stabilizer. Now, this classic stabilizer allows you to stabilize the pan, tilt, zoom, and rotation of your video clip. Now, you can select or deselect any one of these. What you want to do from here is make sure that you are at the beginning of your video clip. Right here, you want to click down here at the bottom where it says interactive mode. You want to make sure that that is turned on, and just over here to the right of that there is an insert. We're going to click on that, and this will allow you to select an area of your video that you would like to stabilize, or a section where perhaps there's a subject moving in your video that you would like to stabilize. Now you're going to click down and drag. If you want to do the whole video, you can, but generally you're looking for the space in the video where your subject is moving or the area that you would like to stabilize. What we're going to do here now, we are going to hit this delete button. It's going to delete all previous features, and where it says cloud tracker, you want to make sure that it's on cloud tracker, not point tracker. Again, we're going to go up, and now from here we are going to drag this all the way to the end of our video. Okay, we can drag it right over here, making sure it's all the way to the end of the video. You're going to now click on stabilize and wait for the stabilization to happen. Once you've made any other changes you need to make to your video and you've exported it, you'll come up with something like this. Now, if you want to learn more about DaVinci Resolve, you can jump into our channel. We've got tons of awesome content to help you grow. Check you over there.